What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Dub once again with another episode of C-Dub Outdoor. We got an awesome video planned for you guys today. We're going to take some guns out to the range. We are going to try and catch a 50 cal today. That is the goal. Of course, we're going to take some other guns with us and do some shooting on the range with them. But the goal today is to catch the 50 cal. We have a bucket of lube. It's like wire lube used to push wire through conduit. We have a 5-gallon bucket of concrete. I got some corn oil, and we have some glass from the Justice Center downtown that came out of the cell windows. Got I think we have 10 panes of glass from there. See if a bunch of those stacked together will stop at 50. But today we will catch a 50 cal bullet. I guarantee it. So hang out with us. Stay with us till the end. I guarantee we're going to catch that 50 cal. And I'll see you guys later.
Ready?
Send it.
Yeah. That go right there. Woo.
Oh, knock the fucking bottom out of it. Go through? Is that the exit? Face down.
That's the front.
A public go.
It looks like it went in.
It
Went in and out the side. Hit the concrete, went out the side. I'm gonna have to fucking buy one. I'm gonna have to buy one. You ready, Chuck?
Yep. That's good. It means you're pretty much dead on.
I don't know which way, but what is this though?
That was there. That was
Oh.
him shooting it with the AR.
Was it facing this way, you think?
I think that's your exit. Right there's the entrance, bro. Maybe.
In the video, I won't make dirty jokes.
I don't know. I don't give a shit. Well, a little high.
Those things have got to be a real rough road. The Mosin, yeah. I fired Brennan.
I'm kind of aiming in between the X and that first dot.
That thing's really cool.
You ready?
Yep.
Well, it's hard to tell with all them.
And the iron sight was on the
Right.
side of the
Where did it go?
Oh,
There's some jacket.
yeah. Oh,
Let's see. I
Yeah.
shot the fuck out of that fucking window.
right
Right there. Nothing came through. Well.
So how many windows did it go through?
I don't know. I think they're pretty good.
Oh, almost all of them.
There you
That'd be cool if you could get the fucking stick right in there.
Oh, there's shit falling.
They're all stuck together because.
There you go.
There's some. Oh, yeah.
I can't see it. Where?
Right
In the
there.
glass.
Oh.
You got like a pliers or something? You need a,
Oh, dude, you gotta leave that motherfucker in there.
I wonder what bullet that is now. Quite a few.
Almost all.
That's gotta be
See the backside.
50, don't you think?
Yeah, that's the 50 without the jacket on it anymore.
Resistant, I guess. Well, yeah, what they do is they used to have like just straight inch thick stuff, but it was they would break and shit. So they would find out they would take 3, 4.
Still a little damage to the eighth.
Yeah,
Where'd
they
that
would
thing
do
go?
that. Then they'd put the plexiglass on it so it absorbed more.
Where'd it go?
Right here.
You need to call the
So
police.
it-
I'm like,
Because these guys just get a hold of something that's where all these are
Right.
damaged or from the
they would hate me.
jail. And he's supposed to have a bunch more. He only had 14 from them.
So we're back from the range. And just like I told you, we caught the 50. Yeah. So mission accomplished for today. We had a great time with friends, hanging out with a nice day of safe, fun shooting. I'd like to thank my buddy Jason for getting us the windows, buddy Doug for having us out shoot at his place, buddy John for providing the 50 cal and other fun stuff to shoot. Also, my boy the main review showed up, do a little shooting. I will put a link in the description for his page. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's keep sharing these videos, keep subscribing. Let's keep it going for the gun community, guys. It's your boy C-Dub, and I'm out.